Hak arpu artarik jemang ke perthai barok kawai kala Rakhe ya Sngi bekerpang ki laipo Jingthaw ka Mariang ban penken mau ya ubriru ude uwei na kini ki laipo Jingthaw ubadan hak Mariang watla ulayo e Khubor ban long kenrat halor jongki. Kumta ubre udon ru ka jingkit kli ban ri ban sumar ban penne pensa e ki klau ki betap ki mau ki ding ki mar po khendo ban pen khuj e kali air bat ban besa ban pejap ya ki mrat ki mreng ki sim ki do ki khnyang ki puj bat ya baro ki Jingthaw ki badan hakani ka slap perthai. Ka Meghalaya Biodiversity Board haka Sngi arpo artarik jemang kala Rakhe kerpang ya kani ka Sngi ha MIIT Shillong halor ka phang acting locally for global impact. Lawan Chimbanta lang dau MBK Ready IFS Principal Forest Environment kumukong san ki he officer nalor kinongkit kam kanika board ki Samla pule pat ki dekhot jong ka Biodiversity Management Committee nakaleng kishnong ki badan Khuborjylla. Kum ka jing ai man sie mi ki dekhot jong ka BMC ki bala trei shitom bat yada ban penne pensa ya ki laipo Jingthaw nakalyang ka MBB kala sam de ki khusnam shaki. Nalor kata kerana ada kesong pisah jing Arab shilak tengka syaki artli kishnong ki badan hatem riboy haka jing penne eki klau ki badan laipo jat ki Jingthaw ba im.
And chief guest and the dignitaries will release of the posters timber trees of Meghalaya.
A very good afternoon to the Biodiversity Board officials and then officers of the Forest Department, Mr. Pawan Chief Wildlife, CCA Wildlife, Mr. R. Malai, Secretary Agriculture, Secretary Planning, Chairman, Pollution Control Board, etc., etc. And then Dr. Mashakar, who is Professor from NEHU. Then we have Srimati Abu James. Now, my participation in this celebration is not new. It goes back to 2013, 12-13, when I took over as as the Secretary of the Biodiversity Board. In fact, I was the first Secretary of the Biodiversity Board, and then I had the other responsibility of setting up the board in 2012. And that it just followed. I would request the cameraman to kindly give it so that the audience there could have a proper glimpse of the speakers. So it just followed. We had a Northeast Conference of the Biodiversity Boards in 2012 under the flagship of the National Biodiversity Authority. So that is when Meghalaya government awoke to the reality that Meghalaya is one of the few states in Northeast who have not had a biodiversity board so far. So just after the conference, the board was set up, and I was given the onerous task to ensure that the board is in place. So we carried out our first recruitment in 2012 or 13, I don't remember. And India was been campaigning one of the first recruits in 2012 through a very transparent competitive test, followed by a personality test. We also had a cabinet approval for the entire selection process. And then I'm not sure how many of those who we recruited 2012-13 are still there. You are one, and how many more are there? You are the only one? 2, 3, sir. Then the tradition of recruiting followed. We also, fortunately, the government was very supportive, and we got a very handsome financial assistance grant for the Biodiversity Board, which again permitted large-scale recruitment of scientists and staff, project assistants to the board, which was done during Mr. Satyan's time. He then took over from me as Member Secretary of the Biodiversity Board, and then he also did very marvelous, splendid work, and a lot of the projects which we find being showcased today, they took birth during his tenure. So then, year after year, we have been celebrating with great fervor and gusto this International Biodiversity Day, which is a reminder to us about the duties of the citizen of this country and the world towards preserving biodiversity, which in turn helps in preserving ourselves. It is a symbiotic relationship. You preserve the nature, nature preserves you. You destroy nature, you destroy yourself. So it just remind ourselves of this holy responsibility and duty that is cast upon us by our older generations, that we celebrate year after year, this World Biodiversity Day. And the, the academic significance of this particular day is that in Nairobi, one of the first biodiversity conventions, that the word adopted the charter pertaining biodiversity conservation in 1992 on this day, 22nd May 1992 in Nairobi, Kenya. The first convention on world biodiversity took place then, and then we adopted a charter of duties and responsibilities towards conservation of biodiversity and the future of the world. So that is how to remind ourselves of this obligation and the promise that we made ourselves way back 1992, that we celebrate year after year. This is just for the information of the school students. Our officers, staff would be knowing very well about this. But then for the children who will be the flagships of this conservation initiative and movement, it is just for their knowledge that this is the significance of this day. That we swore to ourselves that will protect this world along with its biodiversity.
In case of Meghalaya. Can we hear it to them, please? Let us hear our story now by the student. We can have it with formula.
job skills.